Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and back to my classroom. I feel like it's been forever because it has. First, I just want to apologize. I feel like I was really good with my upload schedule for like 3 or 4 weeks, and then life happened and things got a little bit skewed. So I am here to pull us back on track, and I'm going to have this up for you by Wednesday night at 5 o'clock like I promised. But today is Wednesday, so that means I have to get home, edit, and upload this thing quickly. Anyway, so we are still testing. We are testing this week and then next week, and then we have makeup. So the weeks have been kind of dull, and I think that's part of the reason why I haven't brought you with me. Now, I planned on vlogging last week for Mother's Day, and then again, just the end of the year is a crazy, crazy time, and if you teach, you know that. So please forgive me. But I did bring you along today, and again, we are testing today, so I'm not really gonna show you our day-to-day stuff. However, let's talk about the end of the year really quickly. So this year at my school, we are getting remodeled. Now, my room is actually on the newer side, but the rest of the school is really old, so I still have to move everything out of my room. I'm talking everything. I have to have this completely emptied, all these cabinets emptied, all these cabinets emptied. My wall has to come down, which is heartbreaking. All my books need to get put away. I mean, just everything. So as you can imagine, that's a pretty daunting task. So I stopped at Walmart at like 6:45 this morning and got like 5 of these really big tubs. Now they are providing us with like, what do you call them? Storage crates. But I'm taking everything home with me because I have a lot of stuff that's mine and that I've purchased, like the white IKEA things, bookshelves, the furniture that I've gotten from National Business Furniture. So I'm just taking everything home with me. I have like a weird storage wing in my house, so I'm just gonna stick it all in there and hope Chris is okay with it. But because that is the case, I need to start packing up now. Also, my room is just like disgusting. There's just like the clutter is starting to like enhance, and it's stressing me out. So I wanted to get here early. It's only 7:30 because I wanted to clean and then start walking you through my thinking process for how I'm going to start packing up my room and kind of start getting a head start. So I am just going to make my beloved pile in the middle of the floor to just declutter my room, and then I'm gonna pick you back up and talk about pulling this room apart. You guys, I'm such an idiot. I grabbed lids just off the top rack, and they are very clearly the wrong size. So I have to go back to Walmart and exchange these. So fun. All right, I'm gonna be really honest with you. The decluttering was like super lame. So I am going to start packing some stuff up. And I think because I'm kind of done with guided reading for the year, I am gonna start packing up all this here. And I've decided that like I'm not gonna put bins like that in the box. It seems like wasted space. I could just stack them and then store them. So I do want to try and figure out a way to keep them in levels because that's gonna be a pain. Okay, let me sit here and just like mull this over for a minute and I'll get back to you. All right, so what I'm doing is pulling the books out of the bin, and I have big rubber bands, so I'm just rubber banding them together. I'm gonna put a sticky note of the reading level, and then I'm just gonna stack the books in here. That way, again, I'm not wasting storage space by storing those guys. So here we go. All right, so all of the books are in here, and oh my God, they are heavy as heck. Definitely gonna need like a dolly to move it. But this shelf is all cleared off. Here are all the bins. So I'm just gonna stack all this stuff back here. And then over here, oh God. It's so funny. I was like, oh, 5 of these should be plenty. Okay, 2 filled up in like 5 minutes. So definitely gonna need to get more of those. These, I can just leave all the books in those baskets and just take those home. This is all kind of miscellaneous stuff that I'm gonna figure out what to do with. Maybe I'll use these crates to store some stuff. But my goal is to have this all packed up by the end of today. And now, of course, my battery's dying. So if the rest of this vlog sucks, it's because I used my phone. But I also have to go to the doctor during my prep period today. So we'll see how much I actually get done. I'm probably going to have to stay after school to get this finished, which is fine because I need to pack my car up with all this stuff anyway. So, okay, I'm gonna put you guys down because I need coffee. I need to get my room situated for testing and everything, so I'll pick you back up in a little bit. Okay, whew, I really digress as the day goes on. All right, so our morning was full of testing and more testing. I swear to God, the days that we test, I'm like more tired because the minutes just like click by. I'm so bored. And I can only imagine how the kids feel. So I did get a lot done. I'm gonna show you here in a second. But for our afternoon, what we're doing is we're doing a Reader's Theater play I've mentioned before. So they started making, as you can see over here, props. So this is a tree for their play. And then today they're gonna finish making their props, and if they finish, then they're going to start designing their backdrop. So that is what we're gonna be doing this afternoon. And then we're going to the cafeteria to sing, and then our day's over. So I do wanna show you what I have accomplished so far. All right, we are slowly but surely becoming empty. So, these two bins are full of books. I decided that I'm not gonna like box baskets and stuff. There's just no point. So in here, I started putting all of my guided reading, guided math materials, as well as some of the stuff from under here. So I was able to completely clear out this cabinet, which was like random supplies, like the rulers you saw and some other stuff. And then this is all of my like indoor recess games, and ironically it's raining, so I'm not going to be emptying that out right now. I'm probably gonna have kids go through and make sure all the pieces are there. And then I have this one, so I'm hoping to have this cleared out by today, and I am just going to walk these baskets of books and everything to my car. So like I mentioned, I'm definitely gonna need to use like a dolly to move the books because it's so heavy. But I am going to start moving some of these other things slowly but surely. So I already ate lunch, so I'm gonna use this period to start moving some of this stuff. So I'll show you what it looks like as we start to deplete the pile. All right, I am stoked. I found this cart. So I'm gonna roll everything in one trip. So exciting. So there you go. That cabinet's cleared off. The bins are starting to fill. I do have some crates that I'm gonna use as well over here to put stuff in. It's exciting. Okay guys, so our day is over. We did our little play setting up and prop making, and then we went and we sang. And it's so funny, like I always vlog and I'm like, I'm gonna do this at the end of the day. And then the bell rings and I'm like, I'm out of here. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna edit this video and have it up for you hopefully by 5 o'clock tonight. Fingers crossed. Okay, but before I leave, I do want to know when you guys get out of school. We aren't done until June 11th, and I know some people are done like next Friday. So leave me a comment down below. When are you done? I need to know. Also, where do you live? Where do you live and when are you done? I'm so curious. And maybe when you go back. Too much? Okay. Anyway, on your way out, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you enjoy these videos, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go follow me on Instagram at Early Adventures. Other than that, I love you guys so much. I've missed you. I'm so happy to be back, and I will see you in the next vlog.